Hello,
Leo.
What are we doing?
We're opening up an iPad.
Okay.
Like Apple, but my mom is with this and stuff with it. So I just don't want to.
Slide it up. There we go.
Yeah.
Hello, this is just an iPad video. All Samsung fans, Android fans, don't say this as a bad thing.
Don't drop it. It's brand new. What's that?
This is some things. This is charging.
Yep.
Let's start it with this.
I remember Apple. I'm a new fan of Apple.
We will charge it.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the connector.
Yeah.
What type of connector does iPhone use?
I forgot.
It's not USB-C. It's
USB-C now.
Lightning.
But I don't know if this is USB or if they changed to USB-C, but I think it might be USB-C.
Oh, it is USB-C now.
Yeah, they changed it.
Shows what I know. Good thing I got you around.
I don't know if we can. Let's speed it up. Oh, shoot. I can't find.
I'm a pro with iPads now.
It's on the top.
Yeah, I found that. Apple!
I'm excited about Apple.
This is pretty big. Hello.
So we have to set it up now.
This is iPad.
What would you see?
Okay. We'll leave that and let Mom and I set that up. Looks great, Aiden.
Thank you for doing an unboxing video.
I think the best thing is the medium.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
I'll see you soon. I'll show you some new videos soon
Yeah, this is
on the channel.
a pretty good video. This is a pretty good video.
I hope this gets over 1,000 views. If it gets over 50 likes, then I'll post a sequel video
Okay.
December 20th of my own tablet.
Cool.
All right, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe!
Hello, this is 8 out of 10 video. It got a lot of views, but not as much as I expected. Make sure you subscribe.